Welcome to the world of immersive technology, where reality is not what it seems. Today, we will embark on a journey to unravel the mysteries of augmented reality (AR), virtual reality (VR), and mixed reality (MR). Let's dive in. Virtual reality or VR takes us to a computer-generated realm completely separated from the physical world. With a VR headset strapped on our head, we can immerse ourselves in a simulated environment that can be incredibly realistic or completely fantastical. Next up, we have augmented reality or AR, which blends the digital world with the realm world. AR overlays computer generated content onto our physical surroundings, enhancing our perception and adding extra layers of information to our reality. Lastly, we have mixed reality or MR, which is a fusion of both AR and VR. MR not only overlays digital content onto the real world but also enables the interaction between two. This means virtual objects can interact with the real object, creating a truly immersive and interactive experience. Now we have basic understanding of each technology. Let's explore the key differences of all of them. The first difference lies in the level of immersion. VR offers the highest level of immersion, transporting us to entirely virtual environment. AR on the other hand enhances our current reality by adding digital elements. MR takes immersion even further by seamlessly merging virtual reality and real objects. Another crucial difference is the level of interaction. In VR, we can often manipulate virtual objects using hand controllers or motion sensors. In AR allows to interact with digital content using devices like smartphones, smart glasses. In MR takes interaction to a new level by enabling virtual objects to respond and interact with real-world objects. Furthermore, the context of usage sets these technologies apart. VR is often utilized for gaming, simulation training, or immersive storytelling. AR finds its application in fields like education, navigation, and industrial maintenance. MR has a broad range of applications including design, prototype, architecture, and medical procedures. Lastly, we must consider the hardware requirements. VR typically requires a powerful computer or gaming console, along with dedicated headset. AR experiences can be enjoyed using smartphones or specialized glasses. MR is similar to VR, relies on headset with advanced sensors and cameras to seamlessly blend the virtual and real world. In conclusion, augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality are incredible technologies that redefine our perception, interaction with the world. Each has its own unique strengths, offering immersive experience that cater to different needs and applications. As these technologies continues to evolve, their impact on various industries and our everyday lives will only grow. So fasten your seat belts and get ready for a thrilling ride into a future of immersive technology. Thank you for joining us today.